Hello trainees, today we are going to learn about making the bevel scarf joint. The objectives of this video are, after this session you'll be able to gathering equipment needed to make bevel scarf joint, making the bevel scarf joint, advantages and application of bevel scarf joint. Let's start. Gathering equipment needed to make bevel scarf joint. Wooden piece of dimension 70 x 40 x 275 mm, 2 numbers. Jack plane. Hand drill. Glue. Marking knife. Bench vise. Mallet. Firmer chisel. Steel scale. Hand saw. Smoothing plane. Tri-square. Making the bevel scarf joint. Check the wooden pieces for its size. Plane it to the size of 70 x 40 x 275 mm, 2 numbers. Mark the job pieces as per the drawing. Make inclined saw cut along the line AB using tenon saw. Hold the job vertically so that right end comes upwards. At the right end surface, keep a hand saw and make an angular sawing on the line CB. Remove the top portion of the piece sawn by the hand saw. Use firmer chisel to smooth the saw cut part and remove extra material if any. Cut along the line CD and remove waste portion using firmer chisel. Mark the position of drill hole on the job. Drill 3 mm holes on the marked lines with a hand drill and countersink it. Repeat the same procedure on the other piece also. Apply glue on joining surfaces. Assemble both the pieces together. And drive the screws on the countersunk holes on both top and bottom surfaces. Allow glue to dry and finish the joint with smoothing plane. Advantages and application of bevel scarf joint. The bevel scarf joint is used when the material being joined is not available in the length required. It is an alternative to other joints such as the butt joint and the splice joint and is often favored over these in joinery because it yields a barely visible glue line. Scarf joints are often used in big projects such as garages, carports, floor renovation, repairing or restoring furniture. Let's quickly recap. To create a bevel scarf joint, The equipment needed includes wood, jack plane, hand drill, glue, scriber, bench vise, mallet, former chisel, steel scale and hand saw. Common application includes garages, carports, floor renovations and furniture repairs or restoration, offering a nearly invisible glue line. Hope you understood everything taught in this session. See you in another video. Thank you and goodbye. Until then.